All right, so this is a demo of Guitar Pro. This program is actually killer. This is great for every guitar player. So when you pop it open, you see you've got a tab, and then you've got the staff. You can actually write in either with the keyboard, which is really convenient. The only drawback, if you could say there was a drawback, is that it helps if you know how to count rhythms. Because the program basically will play back for you using MIDI sounds, but it'll play back for you anything that you type in, and you can do bends, you can do artificial harmonics. I mean, a lot of stuff that guitar players would do that you typically don't see written on standard notation, but you see it written in tabs. So anyways, let me pull up a file here and give you an idea of what stuff looks like. So here you have this guitar solo from Another Brick in the Wall. And the cool thing, everything's written out. And if you notice the tempo here, you can actually go up here to the top and change this tempo. Say you were trying to learn it, but you were having trouble with some of the phrases, or you wanted to practice it slower or faster. You can just go in, change the tempo to whatever. It would do half speed, and it'll play it back at that speed, which is really cool. So you can play along with it and that sort of thing. It's got a metronome, or you could actually write drum parts. The other cool thing with this program that I'll use it for a lot is either sketching out multiple guitar parts, or even cooler, there's two other options. You can write something in Guitar Pro and export it out as a MIDI file and pull it into something like Fruity Loops or any other program where you can do sound replacement, and it'll take all the MIDI data and write it in a piano roll, and then you can assign whatever sounds you want. The other cool thing that I use this a lot for the blogs is things like exporting this out to a PDF. This way, if I want somebody to be able to download the tab, well, let's just hit PDF on that. So you could save it as a PDF, and then now anybody can open the file and look at it. You can't modify it and put it back into Guitar Pro, but anybody could download it and utilize it. So really, really cool, very powerful program. If you had more than one track, you could put them in score format. I've only got one track on this, but it would show track 1, then you'd have track 2 here, and so on and so forth. So amazingly cool program, very, very useful, and well worth having in your toolbox. So, and the price point on this is relatively inexpensive. The program itself is under $100, so very cool.